morning all. Business cycle. Introduction. The term business cycle refers to economical wide function in production, trade and general economical activity. The business cycle is the upward and downward movement of level of GDP and reference to the period of expansion and contraction in the level of economical activities around a long-term growth trend. What is a business cycle? A business cycle is a period of up and down movement in aggregate measure of current output and income. Different economists have defined a business cycle in different manner according to Wissell C. Mitchell. Business cycle are a special of function in the economical activity of organized community. Professor Hubbard defined a business cycle as an alternation of period of property and depreciation of good and bad trade. According to Keynes, trade cycle is composed of periods of goods trade characterized by rising price and low unemployed practice alternating with the periods of bad trading characterized by falling price and high unemployed practice. Characterized of business cycle. A business cycle is a wall-like movement. Second point, trade cycle are property and rhythmic. A business cycle is an economical wide phenomenon. Fourth point, business cycle are self-referring. Fifth, the business cycle defined in the time. Sixth, in the business cycle, price and production generally rise or fall together. Seventh point, the business cycle are more marked in the capital goods interest than the consumer goods to upward. Eighth point, different trade cycle are similar but not defined in their nature. The property price take double the time taken by the different parts. Types of business cycle. Major and minor trade cycle. First, major trade cycle are those the period of which is very large. Minor trade cycle are the cycle which occur during the period of major cycle. Second point, building cycle. Building cycle are the trade cycle which are related with the consumer industry. Long waves. Period of a long waves is of 50 years. It was declared in the 1925 by a recent economist on or two major trade also during the period of a long waves. Kuznets cycle. Professor Simon Kuznets, famous American economist. Conclusion. Business cycle refers to the function in economical activity occurs regular in the capital society. This change occurs in the form of change involved of employed output and income. The secure of the change in the business cycle occurs different and in a similar pattern.